YouTube has introduced an amazing new feature that allows viewers to virtually try on makeup products while watching their favorite beauty vloggers. I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to use YouTube's new makeup try-on feature. Now let's get started. To begin, open the YouTube app and open a video that includes the Try It On feature. So far, there are only a couple videos that support this feature, and MAC Cosmetics is the only brand that has products available for try-on. One great video that supports this feature is this Golden Goddess makeup tutorial posted by beauty vlogger Roxette Arisa. While watching this video, tap Try It On below the video player window. If prompted, allow YouTube to access your device's camera. Then tap OK. This will open a camera window below the video where you can virtually try on various shades of MAC lipstick. Tap one of the shades at the bottom to see what it looks like on you. The app will automatically detect where your lips are, and the shade you've selected will appear as an overlay on your lips. You'll get a more accurate view of what the product will look like on you if you're in better lighting, so turn on a light or move closer to a window to brighten things up. If you find a product you really like, you can easily purchase it through this feature as well. Tap Shop. Then tap Open beside whichever browser you'd like to use. This will open a web page where you can purchase the exact product you are just trying on. How cool is that? We love that YouTube is rolling out these innovative new features on their mobile app and can't wait to see how this virtual try-on feature expands as more brands and products are added. Let us know what you think about this feature in the comments. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. Check out techboomers.com for over 100 free courses on all of today's most popular websites and apps.